going on YouTube? Welcome back to my pizza channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and today I'm going to be taking you along my journey. I get asked a lot of the times, do all I eat is pizza? And the answer is yes. So I figured I'm going to start the day off with breakfast. So let's go ahead and get breakfast cooking. Let's go and take a look at the oven that I got preheated. We'll look at the Ooni Koda 16. About 890, 870, so the oven is really hot. And I'm gonna be making one of my favorite breakfasts. I got chorizo, egg, and some cheese. Normally it would be in a burrito, but instead it's gonna be a pizza form. So let's go ahead and get our dough. This is just a bit of frozen dough ball that I took out of the freezer 24 hours ago. Let it sit in the refrigerator and then take it out 30 minutes to an hour before you cook. So it's feeling nice and room temp. Go ahead and just get some semolina on there. Actually, I'm gonna flop this down here. All right. Get some semolina there. And again, perfect to have frozen dough. That way you're able just to take it out whenever and have pizza whenever you're craving some. So still here's some air in there, which is nice. And let's go ahead. Get this. All right. And I'm going to get this stretched out. And comment down below if you've had chorizo before. Again, it's a Mexican like beef. It's in a casing, so you got to take that off before you eat it. It's a little spicy, greasy, and overall I think it's just a pretty good flavor. So we're gonna go ahead. I got some Mexican style cheese, a forward blend cheese. We'll go ahead and put that down here. I'm just gonna do a lot, being that there's nothing else on the base. I'll kind of just get a lot of that cheese on there. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some gloves on for this, just because again it is, and save time so I don't have to go and clean my hands. Just gonna get some this chorizo, and we're just gonna be doing some pieces all along here. Let's go ahead. And this will cook in the oven. Again, you can go ahead and pre-cook it if you choose, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just rip off some pieces and let the oven do the cooking. Okay. A little piece right here. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and let's get one egg. We're gonna crack an egg right in the center. There's some large brown eggs, so these are nice. And I'm just gonna go ahead. Not the best crack, but that's totally cool. All right. And now we're gonna go ahead, get it straight onto that peel and into that oven. Right. Get this little mixed around. All right, let's get this into that oven. And get a nice morning. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get that on there. Get this oven turned down. And we'll let that cook. And again, have you made a breakfast pizza before? If so, what are the toppings? Again, everyone's different. Again, this is something that I really like. Chorizo, eggs, usually some bacon, some onions in a breakfast burrito, usually really good. But in a pizza form today, so give that a try. See that crust already cooking nicely. I can smell that chorizo cooking. Get the peel. to get this spun around. Crust is cooking nice already. Cheese is nice and melted. Egg is nice and cooking nice. Yeah, that crust is cooking nicely, like that. Egg's not really in the center, but it's okay. And yeah, you can smell that chorizo. So again, if you've ever had chorizo, you definitely know what that smells like. And as a child growing up, my mom would always, you know, make us some chorizo breakfast, burritos. So definitely brings back some memories of some good breakfast. And we'll finish off this area here. Alright, perfect. So I think this looks good. We're gonna go ahead and get this inside now, let it cool, and then we'll go ahead and take it to eat it for breakfast. Alright, so here you go. Here is your breakfast chorizo pizza with an over easy egg. As you can see, the egg is still nice and firm. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cooked because I'm feeling really hungry now. So let's see, where do you want to get this? Let's just go right here down the middle. Crust is still nice and crispy. And there you go, there's the egg. Get the runniness from the egg. Just cut down right there, and yeah, that smells really good. Finish cutting this off. All right. So let's go ahead and we'll get this bite right here. There's a nice runny egg. There's your chorizo, nice crunchy crust. So let's get a bite. Mm. Oh yeah, that's good. Cheese is still so melted. You can see the cheese is a little brown on top, but underneath it, it's still gooey. You get the egg, you get the chorizo. It tastes just like, you know, a chorizo egg burrito that I used to have. So I'm gonna go and sit down, finish this, drink my coffee, and I'll see you at lunch. All right, welcome back. It's now lunchtime. I'm feeling really hungry for some pizza. So I'm here at Mtuccis 25, Italian restaurant. They do wood-fired pizza. And of course, I can't eat all the pizza myself, so I invited a friend over, Linda, aka Ilinster on YouTube and Instagram. She does food vlogs. Check her out there, you know, food content. I'll link everything down below. So let's get inside. Alright, it's dinner time now, so we're here at Tin Can Alley. They have a real good pizzeria inside called Amore Pizzeria. So let's go ahead and get inside. Alright, so we just finished eating dinner now here at Amore. Really good pizza. I'm stuffed. I had pizza all day today. Such a good time. Thanks again to Linda Ilinster for joining me. What would you say was like your favorite part today? Like your favorite place that we ate?
My favorite part about today was obviously the eating. But I guess for my favorite spot, it would definitely have to be the spot that we just checked out. Everything was super flavorful, and that chili pea pizza was like a party in your mouth in each bite, so that was pretty exciting.
Awesome. Sounds good. Yeah, that one was also really my favorite too. So yeah, if you like what you see, check out my videos, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow Linda on Instagram, on YouTube, and hope to see you again soon.